Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Later affiliate program for Instagram scheduling, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with the Later affiliate program for Instagram scheduling, first, visit the Later website. Look for the affiliate link, usually found in the footer or under a menu. Click on the affiliate link to be directed to the affiliate program page. Read through the information provided about the benefits and requirements. Once you're familiar with the details, look for a Join Now or Sign Up button on the page. Click on that button to access the registration form. Fill out all required fields in the registration form. This typically includes your name, email address, and any relevant promotional channels. You may also need to provide information about your audience and how you plan to promote later. After completing the form, review your entries for accuracy. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, submit your application. Wait for a confirmation email from Later regarding your application status. If accepted, follow the instructions in the email to set up your account. Log into your affiliate dashboard using the credentials provided. Here, you can find your unique affiliate links and promotional materials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard features and reporting tools. Now you're ready to start promoting Later and earning commissions. Make sure to follow Later's guidelines for promoting their services. Stay updated on any changes to the affiliate program by checking your dashboard regularly. This ensures you remain compliant and make the most of your partnership. Good luck with your affiliate journey with Later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.